Good morning, class 6th. I hope you all are staying safe at your homes, enjoying the holidays, and yes, very predominantly focusing on your studies. My dear students, as you have watched yesterday's video, so I hope you are very clear with the chapter. Students, now is the time to tickle your brain. So, let's start with the checkpoints. Open your books on chapter number 11. Moving to the checkpoints number 1 here. So, checkpoint 1 says fill in the blanks. First question is there. The known quantity of measurement is called the. Remember student, yesterday I have told you about measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is comparing an unknown quantity to a known quantity. So here he is asking about that known quantity. What is that known quantity called? That known quantity is called as unit. What is it called? It is called as unit. Okay. Now question number 2. The length of foot of a person was known as. What he is asking? He is asking the length of a foot of a person. In earlier days, students, when we don't have any system of units, we don't have any particular system of units for measuring the distances, for measuring the length, then what people used to do, they used to measure it with their body parts. They used to take help of their body parts. So, what is the distance of the foot, length of the foot of a person called? It is called as foot, F-O-O-T, foot only. Okay. Now, question number 3. The SI unit of length is. First of all, what is SI unit? Standard unit. SI unit means standard unit for measuring the length. The standard unit for measuring the length is meter. M-E-T-R-E, meter. Okay. Question number 4. The Kelvin is the SI unit of. Kelvin is the SI unit of what? Like the meter is the SI unit of length. In question number 3 it is given, right? And like ampere is the SI unit of electric current. So similarly, what is Kelvin is the SI unit of what? Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. Kelvin is the standard unit for temperature. Clear? Okay students. Now moving to the checkpoints 2. Yes. Checkpoint 2 is asking answer in one word. Okay. Question number 1. The length between the tip of middle finger and elbow of an arm is. As in checkpoint 1, he was asking the length of the foot of a person, right? Similarly, he is asking about the length between the tip of middle finger and the elbow. So what is that length called? That length is called cubit. That length is called cubit. C-U-B-I-T, cubit. Okay. Question number 2. The quantity that does not depend on another quantity means what is that quantity called which does not depend on another quantity, which is independent itself? So that quantity is known as fundamental quantity. What is it called? Fundamental quantities. Moving to question number 3. The SI unit of temperature. The question is same as that of question number 4 of checkpoint 1. That Kelvin is the SI unit of what? The answer was temperature. Here he has asked what is the SI unit of temperature. So answer would be Kelvin. What would be the answer? Kelvin. K-E-L-V-I-N. Kelvin. Okay. Moving to question number 4. The symbol of unit of time. Remember students, focus. He is not asking about SI unit of time. He is asking about symbol of unit. For that we have to know what is the SI unit of time. Remember, the SI unit of time is second. But he is asking how to symbolize that SI unit, that second. The symbol for second would be S. S in lowercase letters means S in small letters. Okay. So what will come here? S in small letters. Question number 5. A decimal system of units. As we have SI unit, SI system. Similarly, the decimal system of unit includes what? Which system it includes? It includes metric system. Which system? Metric system. Okay. Now moving to checkpoint number 3. Where is it? Here. Okay. Checkpoint 3 is asking for true or false. So, question number 1. Objects in rest do not change their position with respect to a fixed point. I have told you about motion and rest yesterday. Which objects are in motion? Which are changing their position with respect to time? And which objects are in rest? Which do not change their position with respect to time. So, he is saying that objects in rest do not change their position with respect to time. He is correct. Yes, this is what the definition of rest, no? So, it is true. Now, moving to the question number 2. The motion of an ant is an oscillatory motion. Isn't it sound weird that ant moves in oscillatory motion, to and fro motion? Basically, what is oscillatory motion? The to and fro motion. But ants move in a straight line. It moves forward in a straight line. So, this sounds false. So, this is false. The ants do not move in a oscillatory motion. They can move, but generally they don't move in. They move forward. They don't move in oscillatory direction, oscillatory motion. Okay. Question number 3. In rotatory motion, objects change their position with respect to a fixed point. What is asking? In rotatory motion, objects change their position with respect to a fixed point. Remember, I have told you yesterday about an activity of tying a stone to a thread. So that position, the center of the thread, from where we are holding, that is fixed position. So that is in circular motion, not in rotatory motion. So it is absolutely false. Okay. Now, moving to question number 4. The movement of Earth around the Sun is a periodic motion. He is asking, when Earth revolves around the Sun, is it a periodic motion? Yes, students, it is a periodic motion. Earth moves around a fixed path. Means it repeats its position after a certain interval of time. So it is a periodic motion. It is true. What will come here? True in 4th question. Now, question number 5. Very fast vibrations are called as oscillations. Very fast vibrations. No. What is an oscillation? Oscillation is to and fro motion. So, it is false. It is false. Okay. Done with all the checkpoints.